Hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist: Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. Leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you how to change the battery in your Kia Sedona key remote here. This is for my 2015 Kia Sedona, and the battery is a lithium battery. It is a CR2032. Just get your fingernails under this part. You got this seam here. You want to be on this side of it, and then just pull, just grab onto it, pull up. There you go. There's the battery. Get the battery out. I have a small flathead screwdriver here. If you got long enough fingernails, you could probably get it out with just that. But put your screwdriver right there, and then push, and it comes up and like that. And then there you go. It's out. Stick the other one in, just like that. So now we just gotta get the cover on. Put the back part on first. Get it down, and then snap the top part of it on. There we go. Alright, you're good to go. Please support my channel by leaving a super thanks below, or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description, and we'll both get a free stock. Or you can purchase this product through a link that I'll leave in the description for Amazon. I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn from any qualifying purchases when using my link. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks for watching.